Holy crap, guys, I have a new collab with Pixi!
3, 2, 1. Congrats, babe.
Mwah! Non-transferable, baby. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Maryam here. In today's video, I am going to be reviewing and revealing my new collaboration with Pixi! Round 2, you guys. I am so excited. Thank you, Pixi, for believing in me not just once, but twice. I just came out with 2 eye and lip kits with a glitter eyeshadow and a liquid lip in each, which are my favorite Pixi products, and I am so excited to present it to you guys. This has been a secret that I've been holding for over a year now, and I am so relieved and I am just so thrilled to finally be revealing this here on my channel. I am so thankful to you guys for letting me be me, for supporting me, for loving me, and for allowing this to happen. This would definitely not be happening if it wasn't for your love and support. This is for you, this is for all of us, for our Team Truth community. And without further ado, let's get into this video, because clearly I am way too excited. I cannot wait to show you how these products work and how I put this look together using my new Maryam x Pixi collab. Okay guys, so I created 2 eye and lip kits with Pixi. We call them lit kits because you will be lit from within and with a pop of color. The first one is the lit kit for day. This is what it looks like, and oh my god, that's me on the back. Holy crap. And there's my little quote: brighten your eyes and lips with these daytime classics for a bold and confident look. And the second lit kit is for night. This is what the packaging looks like, yellow, because it's my favorite color. Pixi knows best. And of course, there's my little picture on the back. Elevate your look with these nighttime essentials for an unforgettable dramatic glam. You know how we do. Now, these 2 kits will be available on pixibeauty.com and also their UK equivalent website, pixi.co.uk, on June 11th. Oh my god. And my lit kit for day will be available at Target stores and Target's website starting the week of June 23rd. Obviously, I'm going to be listing and linking everything down below for your convenience so you can check out all of these products. The best part, you guys, is that each one of these kits is $18, you guys. $18, Team Truth. The reason why I'm so excited for this price is because each one of Pixi's Liquid Fairy Lights glitter shadows is $15 alone, and each one of their MatteLast liquid lipsticks is $14. So if you put the 2 of them together in a kit, that's almost $30. The fact that Pixi is making these available for you guys for $18 is huge. It's amazing and it's incredible. I cannot believe we were able to make this happen. I'm so excited. I need to simmer down. And the fact that this is my second collab with Pixi, the fact that they believed in me not just once but twice, is extremely emotional. And I'm not gonna get emotional just yet because I'm just way too excited and I'm way too happy and way too elevated, and I need to show you these products, obviously. But Pixi has a very special place in my heart, and it just means so much to me to be able to do this with them, to be able to give you guys products that I love, products that I believe in, and for such an amazing price. Okay, you guys want swatches? I want swatches. Let's start with my lit kit for eyes and lips for the day. In this kit, we have Mirage, a super duper iridescent, gorgeous, glorious glitter eyeshadow, and Coral Bang, which is a coral liquid lipstick. You guys know how much I love coral. And let me tell you something. We started this project way before Living Coral became the Pantone color of the year, so I had no idea. I'm just this on trend, you guys. I am obsessed. Okay, let's do swatches. Ooh, baby. Would you look at that? You'll see micro fine as well as chunkier glitters in gold, in silver, in purple, and also in pink. And the base for this glitter shadow is clear. So basically you could wear on top of anything. You could wear on bare skin, you could wear on top of eyeshadow. You can add it as a topper, as a glow up, if you will, for any look. And we made sure that if you blend this glitter out, it becomes super duper wearable, even for the daytime. And you could use this as an accent on your lids, on your inner corners, at your brow bone, even on the top of of your cheekbone or in your cupid's bow. There are so many different ways to use this glitter, and I'm gonna show you obviously all of these ways, not just in this video, but in my upcoming videos. So keep glued and stay tuned. Now here comes Coral Bang. Now with Coral Bang, I really wanted to go for a color that will not only brighten your complexion, but also a color that will make your teeth look whiter, your skin look more perfect and more flawless and more tan. Also a color that's complementary on so many different skin tones. I feel like we achieved this with this color, and I cannot wait to show you how everything comes together. So now let's get to my lid kit in Night. I think I need my swatch model for this one.
Hey, most exciting part of being a swatch model
is getting to swatch Maryam x Pixi. We are swatching Starry Night, which is my gorgeous, glorious glitter for night. Oh yes. So this glitter contains chunky glitters in gold, in silver, and bronze, floating in a beautiful black base of jelly color. And to complement this gorgeous, glorious black glitter shadow, we have Posh Nude. Oh my God. Can we appreciate this combo?
Ooh, nice.
Ooh, yes, honey. Day kit, night kit. So now the reason why I decided to create an eye and lip kit with Pixi this time around is because I actually wanted to create something that is super duper easy, that will take you from 0 to 100 in basically no time. This way it takes the guesswork out of coordinating colors and eyeshadows and lips. I know that can get so fussy sometimes and not everybody has time to be creative. So I decided to keep it really simple and stick to the products that I really love from Pixi. Let's create a look. Let's go 0 to 100. I am going to pick up Mirage Liquid Fairy Lights Glitter Shadow from my Day Lid Kit. Look, my name is on it. And what I'm gonna do is apply just a smidge of that to the very center of my lids, kind of like this. I'm just gonna dot it on, and I'm gonna pat it out with my finger. The great thing about these glitter shadows is that you can pack them on as heavily or as lightly as you would like. You can layer them for an extra glittery effect, or if you just want it to be super iridescent, super wearable for the daytime, you can just blend it out with your finger and boom, you're good to go. And this is exactly what I was going for. However, if you want to add a bit more, then you can go ahead and add a pinch more product to the very center. At this time, without blending it out. Also going to add a smidge of that right underneath my brow arch. So essentially I'm just highlighting my points of interest on my eyes, and I'm just gonna use any old brush and blend it out. Also gonna dot a bit of product right here to the inner corner, and that's it for the eyes. Super duper easy. At this point, you can just curl your lashes, apply mascara, and honestly, you're good to go. Your look is complete. For the lips, I'm gonna go for my Coral Bang. I can't even tell you how much I love this color and how much I've been wearing it in some of my OOTD posts on Instagram and also on my IG stories. Every time I wore this color, I have gotten numerous compliments and numerous questions and people wanting to know what color I'm wearing. So I had to be tight-lipped, and it was the hardest thing for me to do. It was so difficult for me not to reveal too early that I was actually wearing my own collab product with Pixi. But now I can finally say it, and whew, that is a weight off my shoulders. Whew. She is here, ladies and gentlemen, and she is ready. Just gonna add a couple of sporadic twiggies to my lower lash line, and boom, bam, my daytime look is complete. Was that not the easiest day look you've ever seen in your life? Of course, this lipstick is also non-transferable, so you don't have to worry about drinking or eating or talking too much. This lipstick is not going anywhere. I am ready to elevate it for night using my Starry Night glitter from the Night Kit, and I'm also gonna be using Pixi's Endless Silky Eye Pen in Black Noir. What I'm gonna do is draw kind of a thick line of cat eye liner on my top lid, just like this, as I always do. You don't need to use a pencil. You can absolutely use whatever you have, or you can skip the step altogether, because honestly, this glitter that I'm about to use, it is so pigmented, and because it's sitting in a black base, it can almost double as a liner. Or in case you're like me and you like to wear your cat eye liner for a daytime look, this is what you would do to bring it to a night look. I'm gonna pick up my Starry Night glitter from the Night Lit Kit, and the reason why I named it Starry Night is because I'm an artist first, and Starry Night is my favorite painting Painting by Van Gogh. So what I'm gonna do is start dotting this glitter right on top of my cat eye liner. Not touching the wing, just more so in the center. And kind of just feathering it out towards the tail end. Easy peasy. So now I'm just gonna add my lashes because I am that girl and I need my lashes. So now at this point, you can stay with this lip or you can change it to Posh Nude so that it could be a little bit more night appropriate. But just because this is a lip for the day kit does not mean that you can't wear it at night. I would totally go out with this look and I'd be perfectly comfortable in my own skin. But just to show you what this color looks like with everything on, I'm gonna remove my coral bang. I'm gonna add a bit more of my lip contour using the Pixi Multi Balm stick in Sheer Sculpt. I'm gonna blend it out so it doesn't look like a mustache and a beard. And then I'm gonna apply my Posh Nude from the Night Lit Kit. That's me. Obsessed. Now, since we are going out at night, let me just indulge and let me just apply a little bit of that right here, because why not? If I had open shoulders, I would totally apply this on my open shoulders as well, and it would look amazing. I do have an IGTV tutorial on that coming right up, so be on the lookout. And now I'm ready. Night look transformation. Here she is. So now for the final verdict, and just for fun, because you guys know I created this product and Pixi helped me create these products. So obviously, if you couldn't tell already, I am obsessed with my two lit kits for the day and for the night. And I will give these products a 10 out of 10. Although there's no such thing as perfect, I think I came damn close to it. And that price, $18, is fantastic and I stand by it. I am so excited. I can't wait for you guys to grab them. I can't wait to see your looks. I can't wait to like your looks and your pictures. Please, please, please let me know what you think about them. Definitely tag me on my Instagram, Maryam NYC, so I can see them, so I can like them. I can't believe I finally revealed to you guys what I've been working on. Thank you guys for being awesome. Thank you for watching this video, for supporting me. There would be no collab if it wasn't for you guys, if it wasn't for your support, if it wasn't for your kindness and for all of your love that you show me every single day. For that, I am so grateful. I hope you can see a little bit of me in some of these products. This is my gift to you. Me again.
Get it?
Get it?
Get it.
Get it. Top secret no more. So while I'm drinking champagne, you can go ahead and click on some of my other videos right here. You know where they are, so click on them.